Welcome to our channel. Today, we're revealing the best spot trading strategy on Binance to help you maximize profits while minimizing risks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this method can boost your success in crypto trading. Stick around till the end, and we'll also share pro tips to enhance your trading skills. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto trading strategies. Let's get started. Before we jump into the strategy, let's quickly define spot trading. Spot trading means buying and selling cryptocurrencies in real time at market prices. Unlike futures trading, there is no leverage, no liquidation risks. You only trade with the assets you own. Now, let's discuss a powerful spot trading strategy that can help you make consistent profits on Binance. The strategy we're using today is called the Moving Average Crossover Strategy. It's a simple but effective method to catch trends early and ride them for profits. We'll use the 50-day Exponential Moving Average, EMA, short-term trend, the 200-day Exponential Moving Average, EMA, long-term trend. Now, let's set it up on Binance. Follow these steps to set up the strategy on Binance. 1. Open Binance and go to TradingView Charts. 2. Select your favorite trading pair, like BTC/USDT. 3. Click on Indicators, search for EMA, and add 2 EMAs. Set one EMA to 50 and the other to 200. Once this is set up, let's look at how to trade using the crossover signals. This strategy is super easy to follow. Here's how it works. Checkmark Buy Signal. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, it's a bullish sign. Buy when the price retests the EMAs. Sell Signal. When the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, it's a bearish sign. Sell when the price fails to break back above. For confirmation, you can add the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and ensure it's above 50 for a buy and below 50 for a sell. Risk management is key to long-term success in crypto trading. Here are some rules. Set stop loss. Place a stop loss 5 to 10% below your entry. Use take profit. Aim for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. If your stop loss is 5%, take profit at 10%. Never risk more than 2% per trade. This protects your capital and allows you to recover from losses. Following these rules can prevent major losses and keep you profitable in the long run. Now, let's see a live example using BTC/USDT. Step 1. The 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA. Step 2. The RSI confirms an uptrend. Step 3. We buy Bitcoin at the next retest. Step 4. We set a stop loss below the last low and a take profit at 2x the risk. Boom! The price pumps, and we secure a profitable trade. Here are some expert tips to enhance your spot trading success. Combine with volume analysis. High volume confirms strong breakouts. Use multiple time frames. Check the 4-hour and daily charts for better signals. Avoid trading in ranging markets. Only trade when there's a clear trend. Stay updated. Follow crypto news for market-moving events. By following these tips, you can maximize your gains and avoid bad trades. Now, let's discuss some pro tips to make this strategy even better. And there you have it. The moving average crossover strategy is one of the easiest and most effective ways to trade on Binance. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite crypto trading strategy? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert trading tips.